What's going on, y'all? This video I'm going to talk about my morning skincare routine. So I'm going to show you all the products that I use in the morning. Some of these products that I use pretty much every single day and have been using them for years now. And some products that I just picked up in my skincare haul, which I'm going to do a video about that soon. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and watch to the end of this video to get more information about the products that I use. Alright, let's start with the first step, and that's the cleansing bar. I'm using the UrbanSkin combination skin cleansing bar because I tend to have oily and dry skin at the same time. Don't know how that happens, but as I stated in my previous videos, UrbanSkin has some of the best products, especially for people of color. And a lot of people that I've put onto these products, they've been severely satisfied, okay? And don't forget, when you wash your face, you have to wash your neck. Always bring your skincare down to your neck. Jesus. And please, when you're drying your face, make sure you're using a separate towel from the towel that you use on your body. Yes, you need a separate towel for your face. So next, I'm going to use the EveryManJack beard and face wash to actually shampoo my beard. Now this is the cedarwood scent. I do like the cedarwood and the sandalwood. And like I said before, woodsy scents are just great. And shampooing your beard actually gets rid of that dead skin under the hair and helps moisturize and condition your beard. That promotes growth. And I mean, you know, who wants a patchy, short, raggedy looking beard? I mean, you know, because, well, never mind. And then this next step, I'm going to tone with the Fenty Skin Fat Water. And this time I'm going to use a cotton pad on the exfoliator side instead of using my hands. That way I get a 2-in-1 action. I'm exfoliating my skin and using the serum. And also this is prepping my skin to absorb that serum a lot better. And like I said before, bring your skincare down to your neck. Alright, so this next step, I'm going to tackle those dark circles by using some vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in this eye serum by Valjean Labs. This is one of the serums that I picked up from TJ Maxx in my skincare haul. And this product is pretty efficient. And I'm sorry, y'all, that little piece of cotton on my face is really getting on my nerves. Like, can you, excuse me, hey, can you just like get rid of it? I can't, thank you. So like I was saying, vitamin C is good for brightening, and hyaluronic acid is definitely good for plumping. So it gets rid of those fine lines, dark circles, and or puffiness. So this next step, I'm going to actually use my moisturizer. And this is the Glowing Moisturizer by UrbanSkin. You know, I've mentioned this stuff before. It has vitamin C, which is our favorite ingredient. So it's going to brighten my skin, fade those dark marks, take out those fine lines and wrinkles, because you know I don't really have those. And also, here's a quick tip: always go in upward circular motions when you're applying your moisturizer or pretty much anything to your face. And don't forget the neck. Alright, so here's one of my little hidden gems. To moisturize and condition my beard, I actually use the Sunny Isle Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This stuff does pretty much everything. Moisturizes, conditions, softens, detangles, makes your beard shine, and promotes growth. Right here, I'm just going to use a little wooden comb to blend that oil into my hairs, make sure it gets all into those follicles and detangles. Oh, and another hidden gem. Take that same castor oil and touch those eyebrows. If you're a stickler for eyebrows like me, you'll definitely benefit from this step. The same thing that it does for your beard, it's going to do for your eyebrows, especially promoting growth. And right now I'm just using a little plastic spoolie to just brush that in and make sure everything is saturated and conditioned like it's supposed to be. Alright, so in this next step, I'm going to use the Morning Glow Vitamin C and Squalene Facial Oil from Valjean Labs. Normally, I use facial oils before the moisturizer, but sometimes I like to switch it up and use it after the moisturizer. Especially with this type of oil because it tends to be a little thick and extra shiny, so you only need a little bit. And actually doing this after your moisturizer gives you a natural highlight. So when the sun hits your face, it's going to hit those high points and you're going to have that natural looking glow. Now my last and final step is to use the Arches and Halos by Tonya Crooks, which is basically just a clear eyebrow gel. And I just use this to hold those hairs in places. Look, I told y'all, I'm a stickler for eyebrows and I like mine to be perfect. So this literally just holds your eyebrows in place. There's no color, there's no scent, anything. And after using this for a while, there's really no flaking and it seems to be waterproof. Alright y'all, that was my morning routine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, leave me a comment and let me know what products you use in the morning. And don't forget to share and subscribe. And being that you made it to this part of the video, if you haven't subscribed already, I don't know what you're waiting on. So just go ahead and hit that button. Wait, is it on this side? Yeah, hit that button right there. It says subscribe. Go ahead, just all you gotta do is tap that. Yeah. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be updated and notified when I post my next video. Now I'm going out of town this weekend and I think I may do my first travel vlog. So stay tuned to see that video next week.